Hi guys, my name is Timke MUA and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how to get this super extra but also kind of easy all red makeup look with red rhinestones and a red lip. So if you'd like to see how I came up with this, please keep on watching. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in and we're going to start priming the lid using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. Okay, so with our eyes primed, we're going to start off with the most prominent color, which is red, and I'm going to use You're Kidding from the Morphe X James Charles palette. Using a Morphe Jaclyn Hill 32 brush, I'm putting the red all in my crease and winging it out. Okay, so with the red roughly in place, I'm gonna get another Jaclyn Hill 32 brush and I'm gonna blend it out using the shade Pinkety Drinkety. And now on a Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush number 33, I'm picking up the shade Boutique to deepen up the crease. Okay, so to get everything as blended and as pigmented as possible, I'm going to go back and forth using the same three colors I used before. And now I'm deepening up the outer corner using a pencil brush and the shade Spooky. And then again blending out that black using the shades Boutique and You're Kidding. And then, still using that same brush, we're going to smoke out the lower lash line with the red. And then again deepening that up using the shades Boutique and Spooky. And then smoking out the lower lash line even more using the shade Pinkety Drinkety. Okay, so now it's time to cut the crease, and to get it as wide as possible, I'm using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Drug Lord and an Anastasia number 18 brush. And to set that, I'm packing on the shade Flashback using a Morphe Jaclyn Hill 42 brush. And then blending together the black and the white using You're Kidding and Boutique. And then to make the eyes look way bigger, I'm again using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Drug Lord on the lower lash line and to create a new inner corner. And then we're putting on a thick wing using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. Okay, and to make this look even more extra, I'm popping on some red rhinestones like I did on this eye and some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished off the eyes and I already did my foundation, concealer and contour and everything. And now we're finishing off the skin using the MAC Cosmetics blush in the shade Peaches. And we're gonna go in pretty intense with this to match the intensity of the eyes. And then we're prepping the skin for highlighter using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And to highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter in the shade So Hollywood and a Morphe M501 brush. So for lips, I'm first going to go in with the Makeup Revolution lip liner in the shade Duchess. And then I'm filling in my lips using American Doll from ABH on the outside, and I'm putting Spicy in the center. And to finish off the look, I'm giving myself another spritz of setting spray. Okay you guys, so that is it for today's look. I hope you liked how it came out. If you'd like me to do this for all the other colors of the rainbow and make this into kind of a little series, let me know in the comments down below. If you'd like to see more from me, you can also follow me on Instagram, it's timk.mua, or you can follow me on Twitter or TikTok, they're all in the description box down below. If you'd like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up down below, because it really helps me a lot. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!